Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing a review and first time shave test of the Anthony Shave Gel for sensitive skin, which is this bottle right here. This is a product that I actually received from the company for review in this video. And so what we'll do in this video is first we'll go over the packaging, the general features of this product. I'll show you what the shave gel looks like up front and we'll give a general sense of its overall aroma, feel, that sort of thing. Then at the end of the video, I'll walk through shaving with this for the first time. Reason being is I need to shave and I'm due for a shave in general. And so I want to take advantage of this opportunity to review this shave gel in this video. As always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing this, I'll leave links in the description below for where you can find it on Amazon. Okay, so this is the Anthony Shave Gel for Men for sensitive skin. This is a product that the company actually sent for me for review in this video. Previously, I've done reviews of their No Sweat Body Defense as well as their Glycolic Acid Facial Cleanser. I also have their Algae Cleanser, which I'm due to do a video on as well, so just keep an eye out for those. But this is going to be a shave gel really tailored for sensitive skin. Currently on Amazon, you can get this bottle, which is 6 fluid ounces for $22.80 for one bottle, $44 for 2 bottles, or a pack of 3 for $62. It comes out ranging from $3.80 an ounce down to $3.44 an ounce, depending on your preference. But what I would recommend is try one of these out, and then if you like it, then go ahead and purchase more of them with a larger quantity if you really like it. Real quick, we'll go over the packaging. So here it says shave gel for sensitive skin. It's paraben free. Objective for this is to enjoy shaving. Strategy is going to be, it encompasses eucalyptus and rosemary extracts, works as natural antiseptics, aloe beads protect, where carrageenan extract heals and soothes, has the Anthony labeling on this, and this is going to be 177 milliliters or 6 fluid ounces. On the back here it lists kind of just general instructions, which says apply evenly to wet face and shave and then rinse off. And then ingredients wise, it has several listed here. I'll read them off real quick. So it says aqua, glycerin, oleth 20, propanediol, carbamyl, aloe, leaf juice, citrus peel, orange oil, menthol oil. It's got rosemary oil, eucalyptus oil. It has spearmint, basil, a couple other extracts from different ingredients, which I can't really know, cellulose, and then some preservatives. Nothing too crazy as far as ingredients. Really, this company tries to keep it as minimal as possible. But that's the packaging. Real quick, we'll just open this up just to give you a general sense of what it kind of looks like up close on the actual camera. So bear with me because this might be a little bit difficult to peel off. But there you go. So there we go. Sorry about that. But we'll just pour this out. Okay, so it really is a gel. So as you can see here, it is this like bluish green kind of gel. It does have kind of like whatever these are. So these are aloe beads, so you can actually see the aloe beads directly in it. So there's like 3 of them directly here. And it does smooth out and spread very easily. So it's something that kind of spreads across your skin very easily. Let me check the aroma. So the aroma definitely smells like a menthol eucalyptus kind of blend. Very pleasant, very soothing kind of smell or feel. I anticipate that when you shave with this, it will have a cooling sensation just based on the aroma and the fact that it's like a menthol eucalyptus. Additionally, me just rubbing it on my hand here, I do feel like a cooling sensation with this. So I'm really excited to shave with this. But that's it. It has a pleasant aroma. It feels clean on the skin. What we'll do now is I'll set up the camera. I'm going to shower and then we'll shave with this just to give you a general sense of its performance for shaving. Then I'll use this over the upcoming weeks, months, and kind of do a circle back with another video at that time to give some feedback with longer term use. So we'll just shave with this in a brief moment. Okay, so sorry for the angle with the camera, but now that I showered, I'm gonna shave with the Anthony Shave Gel. For this video, we're gonna be using the Manscaped Plow 2.0 DE Safety Razor. You can check out a video I've done on that, but this is a great entry-level safety razor razor if you've never used them before. But real quick, I'll wet my face, apply the Anthony shave gel, and we'll get started. Okay, so for the purposes of this video, I'm gonna apply like a decent amount of this. I'm gonna use probably about that much to start. Rub it across my whole face, and I'll give you kind of first impressions of how this feels on your actual skin and the consistency. And so it's definitely a gel. It is not a soap or a cream. And so as you can tell, it just basically blends across your skin, unlike a shave cream or a shave like soap. So rather than lathering up or anything like that, it just runs across, which is different and unique. I've never really used that sort of thing before. The Jack Fur kind of product was very similar, but it was a cream, but it was a very thin consistency. But as you can tell, it basically is a clear coating. As far as the sensation here, it is a cooling sensation. It's got like a menthol eucalyptus feel to it. So even as I'm sitting here along my cheeks, where I don't have hair, there's a cooling sensation, which is a good feel. And the overall aroma is like a crisp, just clean, kind of like herbally smell and aroma. It's not overpowering, it's not pungent, it doesn't smell terrible or anything like that. So it's just a pleasant, clean aroma. And the feel so far, just by kind of using this on my skin, is very pleasant. And so that's the gel as far as application. Now what I'll do is I'll walk through shaving with this. I'll do a little bit of the shave and just give my general impressions on basically shaving with this. Bear with me because I don't want to cut myself, but we'll shave a little bit and I'll give you some feedback based on first impressions. Okay, so that's about half my face. This is a fresh blade with the Manscaped razor. I'll say that it's definitely a smooth shave here. There's no issues as far as abrasiveness or cuts or anything like that. It was very smooth, like the gel, like the razor slid very easily across my skin. No problems there. And so what I'll do is I'll finish this up with one pass, and then we'll do a second pass after that. Okay, so that's after rinsing my face off after one pass. There's a couple areas where it didn't shave entirely, which is very common when you use a DE razor. Usually I do 2 passes, but I'll say that this shave gel works really, really well. I'm actually very impressed with this because it was a very close, nice shave with this without any irritation. It glided across my face very easily and no problems whatsoever as far as that. And this is almost like as if I shaved like 2 times completely. So I'm really impressed with this shave gel. It's very comfortable. It is soothing to the touch as well, where it's a nice cool feel to your face. So it's very comfortable to do. And so what I'll do is I'll do one more pass with this as I normally would, just to get like the smoothest shave. We'll add another a bit of shave gel. That's one drawback to the shave gel, is if you do use a safety razor, straight razor, you're gonna have to apply this twice, rather than like if you do use shave soap where you lather it up and use like a shave brush. You don't really have to do that, so just keep that in mind. So you will use a little bit more, but that's what I'm gonna apply to my face again. And so this is more like if you were shaving with a daily shave and didn't have like beard and scruff like I did, this is probably more kind of in tune with the amount and quantity that you would use. But as you can tell, it's a gel that's like just smooth across my entire face. You can barely see it, but it does glide very well. And real quick, we'll just shave again. Usually the second go with this, I just do kind of at an angle to just get a closer shave. Now that I've rinsed everything off, I actually did not really cut myself, maybe right there, but that's kind of common. I always cut myself around there. But overall, so this is actually a phenomenal shave gel. I'll say, like, to be honest, I'm really impressed with this. This was a very close, smooth shave. I have no straggling hairs anywhere whatsoever. It just is the smoothest, like nicest shave in general. I feel like it's like something where like I used to use the like cartridge razors where it was like 3 blades, but I would get a lot of irritation and irritability and I would break out with that. This is actually very comparable as far as the smoothness there, without any difficulty. It glided across my skin really well, so I'm really, really impressed with this. Overall, even after rinsing it off, it rinsed off very easily, and there is is that cooling sensation to it. So it's like an aftershave kind of feel. It's a cooling sensation. It's very pleasant to the skin. And it was just a really good experience. So this is the Anthony Shave Gel for sensitive skin. I'm actually really impressed with this product. At priced about $20 a bottle, it is reasonable. We'll have to see how well or how much I use on a regular basis with shaving with this. And so what I'll do in the upcoming weeks or months is I'll use this as my alternative shave gel for when I'm shaving. I'll get a general sense of how it performs, and then I'll do a follow-up video to give you feedback on how I think it works over long term. But based on this one-time shave experience, I'm really impressed with this. It's a really good product. It smells good. It feels good. It's a cooling sensation. It's a very pleasant experience, and it glided across my skin without any problems. So this is the Anthony Shave Gel for sensitive skin. You can get it on Amazon. Definitely check it out. If you have questions, comments, post them below, and definitely check out my other content on Anthony, as well as shaving, the Manscaped thing, all those sorts of things throughout this video, because I've been doing a lot of content on that, and it's useful to see as well. So thanks for watching and have a great night.